and I'm back, Hey guys, it's Kimberly here, and I'm back with another video. This time it's a hair tutorial. So I put some flexi rods in my natural hair, and I'm pretty shocked of the results that I got. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Hey everyone. Okay, so I'm starting from like a 47-day wash and go. Just kidding, but that's what it feels like. My hair is like completely gross. So I just took it out of the bun, and don't ask me what I'm doing here, but yeah. So I just got out the shower, so I just shampooed and conditioned my hair with my favorites. It doesn't matter what you decide to use, but it's best that you start off on freshly washed hair. I applied my favorite oil mixture, and now I'm just rubbing it all over my scalp. Okay, so next I'm going to section my hair just because my hair is so thick and it's always easier for me to work in sections. Alright, so I have my section I'm going to work on first, and next I just grab my flexi rods. I got these at the beauty supply store. They came in a pack with a whole bunch of different sizes. And I was afraid that would run out, so I grabbed an extra pack of some red ones. I separated all the flexi rods I had in two just so I can make sure I had enough for each side. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my Demon brush and my Shea Moisture Curl and Enhancing Smoothie. I split my hair in this small section, so I prefer to work in smaller sets just so the curl can really form when I'm using the flexi rod. I grabbed some Shea Moisture and I put it all over my hair just so my hair can stay nice and moisturized. I'm grabbing my Demon brush just so I can brush out any tangles or knots. This is pretty important because you want to make sure that as you're flexi rodding your hair that it's nice and smooth. Grab my Eco Styler gel, and I forgot to mention that in the beginning, but I'm only using a small amount. This is going to help me just so that the curl stays nice and intact. I'm just smoothing it all over my hair, and next I grab my flexi rod. So I start with my end, wrap that at the top of the flexi rod, and then I move the flexi rod towards my face. Literally guys, this is what I'm going to do throughout my whole hair. And just in case you didn't catch that, I'm going to do it again. I grab the next section that I'm going to work on, apply some Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I use my Demon brush to brush out any tangles, apply some Eco Styler olive oil gel on it, smooth it out, and then grab my flexi rod. So you want to put the end of your hair at the end of the flexi rod and just work the flexi rod towards your face. One of the tips and tricks that help me is that as I'm rolling the flexi rod towards my hair, I'm not stacking my hair on like one spot of the flexi rod. So instead of me layering my hair on like one part of the flexi rod, I'm trying to like stretch it out and use as much as the flexi rod. So just to show you guys again, now I'm at the front of my hair and I'm going to follow the same steps. Apply my Shea Moisture, brush it out using my Demon brush, apply some Eco Styler olive oil gel, and roll the flexi rod towards my hair. If there's parts that get a little frizzy, I just apply a little more Eco Styler gel just so that my hair can be as smooth as possible as I'm rolling the flexi rod. But other than that guys, I'm not doing anything different. This is what I'm going to do throughout my whole head. And I'm not using any particular size. I'm just literally grabbing the first flexi rod that I see. And this is the look that I'm going for in my hair. Like I don't want one size curl all over. So this will give me lots of volume and just different curl patterns. So you guys can just watch me finish up my hair. I decided that I wanted to keep my flexi rods as long as possible just so I can get the most curl definition. So I'm diffusing my hair just because I am going to go to sleep with these in my head. And since my hair was kind of damp, this is just helping to make sure that it dries a little bit, just so that I'm not sleeping in wet hair. Alright guys, it's time for me to go to sleep, and I just grabbed one of my satin scarves. This was pretty funny, just trying to get this to fit all over my head, but I got it. Side note, please beware, I did not get enough sleep this night. They were so uncomfortable trying to sleep with. Oh my gosh. But I made it, so here's the next day. I'm grabbing that same oil that I used before. I'm just rubbing it all over my fingers just so that as I'm taking my flexi rods down that I'm not adding extra fizz. I look like I have a whole bunch of crayons in my hair, but slowly I'm just taking each flexi rod down. I'm not picking any particular section to work with first. I'm just grabbing whatever flexi rod I see and just taking them down. All you have to do is unbend them and just roll it down in the opposite way that you rolled them. So pretty simple, and this is what I'm going to do all over throughout my hair. I'm just making sure that I'm taking my time doing this just so that I'm not adding extra frizz. And as I'm going through, I add a little more oil to my hands just so I can make sure that it's getting moisture that it needs. As I take the flexi rods down, I just kind of straighten them out just so it's easier for me to use it the next time. All my flexi rods are off, so now I'm going to go through each curl and separate where my hair naturally separates. This is how the volume happens. So I just take each strand and curl them separately. And guys, that's pretty much it. So this is a perfect hairstyle if you just want to see your hair styled differently. I'm in love. Okay, so I am like in love with my hair. I haven't seen it this bouncy and like a different curl definition in a while. So I was saying how it was so painful for me to sleep at night, but this was worth it. I'll definitely have to keep using flexi rods more often. And one of the things I liked about my hairstyle this time is that I used all the different sizes. So I feel like that's why like there's no one dimensional curls. It's kind of like you're getting a little bit of everything. I am loving my hair. I am about to go take pictures. But if you guys have tried flexi rods and you've had great results or bad results, let me know down below in the comment section. Guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget, what are you waiting for? But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!